Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and do well. So in today's video friends, I will share you beautiful Easter centerpiece decoration ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today videos friends. First idea is Easter bunny theme centerpiece decoration ideas. Friends, place a cute bunny in the center, add grass or green paper under it. Now decorate with eggs and flour. This is perfect for kids, family table. And friends, elegant Easter candle setup. We make an elegant Easter centerpiece. Take a glass candle holder, place a white candles inside, add petal egg around it, finish with soft flowers. This design is simple and beautiful friends. And viewers, next idea is Easter mug centerpiece. Today we are using a mug for Easter decoration. Fill the mug with flowers, add small eggs inside or around it, tie a ribbon on the mug. This small centerpiece look very cute and friends, next try is I hope you really like my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon viewers for more ladies updates. So viewers, I love you. See you in the next video.